Hello friends, lovely to see you. What I'm sharing today is a altered file folder which was inspired by Crafty Pantaloons. I use papers by Artie Mays and some of my own papers and one or two bits and pieces from other people too, but the main project is done with Artie Mays's Foxglove Bliss collection. Alright, so let's make a start. There's numerous flaps and little booklets in here. It's really like a junk journal made out of an altered file folder. So here obviously is the front, some inspirational quotes, then this flaps open. Here is space just for your own journaling, whatever you want to do. Over on this side is a little envelope which has various little ephemera inside. They will neatly fit into the envelope. Then this flaps open. There's a pocket, a tag. Whoop. It's actually not a tag, sorry about that. It's a little booklet which has a tag on the front. There's tea-dyed pages inside. Then if we close these two and stop these from falling out, then we can flap this down. I'll put this ticket out of the way. Here is two further just decorative bits, and then this flips open and there are some more ephemera that tuck in here. And in theory, you should be held together with an altered paper clip. So I'll just tuck these in here. Here's a little booklet for journaling or whatever you want to use it for. That is, now what is it called? Can't think of her name just now. But it's some downloads as well. I'll remember it and put it down below. An altered postcard with two tickets, and then hey-oh, another little book inside that fits into this altered envelope. That flips closed like this, flips closed like this. Then here, two further bits, another little booklet made out of paper leftovers, just sewn together at the top. Fit under this belly band, which has some lace here, and then here some more ephemera held together by a little ribbon. I'm not going to show you these. Well, there you go. Yeah, they all basically form the kit with some additions by myself. This is just more of a tuck than rather a pocket. This is a pocket with a couple of tags. Another belly band. Oop, trying to keep this in focus. There's another little book. I love making these little books. Yeah, it's like a mini junk journal, really. Alright, so let's close this down. And then here finally we come to the back. A pocket decorated with some lace and bits and pieces. And then here, this is an idea from J-Care, or G-Care? G-Care. It's like a little folder, which also serves as a little junk journal, lots of space for journaling. And then this just tucks under here, back into the pocket. And that's it. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.